court has done some money. Me can't court to see what do some money.
Chine de never share gate e yinum nya pon chine de never to the kojo fusu na na ekoshim. Nti omumra no me witness. E the body neighbor na ono so anya na ho meka, anya na ho je. Sansa da ho ache. E da adofo so amobom pai ma yen. Se de si amohwe ene. Se de rules no bae. Na omo atras na Nyankopon ka che om se da bi nko ni sei. Na omo koye na aye kama no. Kojo wa bread says say okono okoda no ogi na home. Na yeso na ma wa na ma ro. Okoda on.
I go by the name Flamboyant Lifestyle. If not subscribe to this channel, please subscribe so that anytime I post a video, you'll be the first person to watch. This Daddy Lumba issue has really opened the minds of people. A lot of people will take marriage serious, and a lot of people will understand what they are signing into. You can't just live like that. You have to know what you are signing in. And a lot of people will learn a lot in this Daddy Lumba's issue. I'm going to let you watch a video from Micheals. Micheals is trying to let us understand. He doesn't really understand what really happened in the courtroom. So Micheals was asking Akosua Serwaa lawyer what really happened in the courtroom. And after that, I'll let you watch a quick video from XYZ TV. They were talking about how the things happened and how the judge was able to change their mind and all those things. So without not wasting my time, let's pay attention and watch this video.
By the clerk that my lord said we should wait. The judge said we should wait. So we waited, and then around 10:30, the judge came out and informed us that the ruling on the application for injunction is ready.
Okay.
Now he read out the ruling and made certain findings of fact in our favor, and ruled that he was granting the application for injunction and made certain orders. Now he made 3 orders. If you allow me to go,
yes, please, please do.
Now the first order he made was that he is placing an injunction on the Abusuapain from going ahead to organize the final funeral rites and burial of the late Daddy Lumba, which is coming on 30th December, which is tomorrow. He also made a further order directed at transitions, that transitions should not release the body of Daddy Lumba to the Abusuapain for any purpose. And that the last order was that the Daddy Lumba memorial account, the monies in those accounts, should be separated from the donations that the Abusuapain was receiving.
Yeah.
Those were the 3 orders that we heard the judge make. So of course we were excited because we got what we wanted. Our application for injunction was granted.
Lawyer, I'm sorry. Are you saying these were the only orders that were made? Because the ruling we have here goes beyond it.
These were the only orders that were made after the time the judge had finished ruling.
Okay.
So when I finish, you will understand where I'm coming from.
Sure, sir.
Now, after these orders were made, we left the courtroom. Of course, we have other cases, we have other engagements. So I left the courtroom to go and attend to my other cases. My colleague lawyer also left. Now, when I was going to attend to my other cases, I realized that my clients were calling me, so I packed. And then when I received the call, they told me that the judge had added a further order to the 3 orders that I just read out to you. And the 4th order was that the applicants were required to deposit an amount of 2 million Ghana cedis into court. Now remember, this ruling was delivered around 10:30 a.m. in the morning. When we got out, it was about 11 o'clock.
Okay.
Of course, the media were around. A lot of media houses were around. So we had to engage the media and explain the essence and importance of the ruling to them. And this took place for about, I think, another 30 minutes. So we ended this media engagement around 11:30. And I received this call from my clients around 12 p.m. Now, the 4th order basically was that the applicants were required to deposit 2 million Ghana cedis as security deposit by 2 p.m. today. So the applicants were required within 2 hours to raise that money. That's a very huge sum of money. Now, I was in court this morning. I never heard the judge say that the applicants should deposit an amount of 2 million Ghana cedis into court. Now, when my colleague called me, he said the registrar had called him, that the judge had asked the registrar to call him to come back to court. I was far away, so he rushed back into the courtroom. And when he got there, he met the lawyers of our opponents on the other side. And then he said he heard the judge say that he was adding a further order, which was the 4th order, to the 3 orders he had earlier made in the morning. Now, remember, this 4th order was made in the afternoon, after we had all left the courtroom. Okay?
Yeah.
Now, what the judge did in law is called a variation of an order. Of course, the judge has a right to vary his orders, but this variation must be on notice to us. It must be by an application. A party in the case must file an application for a variation of the order because the party is not satisfied with certain aspects of the order. It is by a motion. You file a motion, then you serve your opponent. And your opponent responds before the judge makes a ruling on the application. But the judge did not do that. He only invited the 2 lawyers into the courtroom and on his own varied the orders that he made by adding this 4th order. And the judge knew that between 12 p.m. and 2 p.m., there was no way that these applicants will be able to raise
2 million Ghana cedis.
Yes, 2 million cedis.
Within 2 hours.
Within 2 hours, my brother. Within 2
How?
hours. So the judge clearly had exercised jurisdiction in excess of what was given to him. And he also deprived us an opportunity of being heard before making such orders. There was no application before him by any party. He had delivered his ruling, we all left, called my colleague back and changed the order completely. Clearly, we could not have complied with this order. So what it means is that our opponents are going to have their way tomorrow. The funeral clearly is going to come on tomorrow because our clients have not been able to raise the money. So this is the difficulty we find ourselves in. And I'm in shock. I'm in total shock.
We are shocked, lawyer.
You know,
we are shocked and we are confused.
You know, that's a court of justice in Ghana, a court of competent jurisdiction, court of justice. A judge has delivered a ruling. We heard what you said in the ruling. If we were not present in court, we could say, okay, we did not hear the ruling well, so we are going back to court for interpretation or something like that. But we all sat in court when you came out and read the ruling to all of us. It was 3 orders that you made, 3 consequential orders that you made. There was no 4th order. This 4th order was made several hours after the ruling was delivered in the morning in our favor. You know, so there are things that have come to our attention, but I cannot release it on radio right now.
Yes, I can understand. So
there's information that we have, but we cannot release it on radio. Maybe if we talk in private, I could let it out to you.
Yes, I'll gladly call. So, but can we? Has there been such a precedent before?
You see, this kind of courtroom proceedings, like the one I've just explained to you, has happened in other courts.
Okay.
Now, this is not the first time it has happened. Judges have gone beyond their jurisdiction to make orders that were not legally sound. And for us to attack that order, you could attack this order by a legal remedy that we call an order of Serwaa.
Okay.
Which means that the judge exceeded his orders, the judge exceeded his jurisdiction or his powers in making orders that he had no power to make.
A BC that one way to C0urt I take a decision. Now 12, after 12, once half lawyers are court transit. That's a sound judgment. Now judge the amount 1 hour sit to 2 million. Judge the amount 1 million, 1 hour sit to 2 million, and will you get it? You are not fair. Would I young fan say, don't do 2 million? Amount for no fairly or no Fikumasu. Or what to Kumasu, if Fikumas no back court, one kind. Now we'll do 2 million, a man 1 hour, obey Huri, and obey Yanakoaba. If we are done now, we take a decision unreasonable, we must tell you we have taken unreasonable decision. Go and jail me because of this. Nabi Supreme Court Maetia say a ban judgment finality the say you're sorry we show now point so show we are ending we perceive a sabbat na bioneer and some we just another show so in court and either review or appeal and I bet me that's our decision. You don't reconvene. It is a court at trans, not court, not sorry. Not amount for my bed, sorry. The court is functus of.
I know, if you finish watching this video, we have to understand that the judge that judged this case, the judge is really experienced. If this judge is not very experienced, he will not be called to the bar. So we have to accept what has happened. And all that we have to do is just to learn about these issues, because we don't have to take things for granted. Immediately you take things for granted, that's when had I known it's always at last. So you have to be very careful and make a move that you really know. Don't just live like that and just be living just like that. There are laws that are governing the country. So all you have to do is just to be very careful out there. You can share your comments under the comment section. Anything that you want to say, please say it down there. And also make sure that you subscribe to this channel and also turn your notification bell. So anytime I post a video, you'll be the first person to watch. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you another time.